seeing here, do you think graphic design is a good thing, like a career wise, to especially if I'm trying to build my YouTube channel on the side? So the question here is, do I think that graphic design is going to be a good career, especially if I want to use it, for example, for my YouTube channel, if I want to build it up on the side? The answer is it depends, right? So graphic designers, sometimes you don't get a job. It's kind of like a really tough industry, but the answer is you want to do research on this stuff, right? So spend the next 4 hours dedicated and solely focus to find out exactly the job growth in this entire career. Look on Indeed, look on Upwork, find out, hey, are there actually jobs being posted for this? How hard is it to actually get it? How much does the average person actually make? Do all the research possible. But the answer is, if all you want to do is graphic design to do YouTube, that's a terrible idea. Because remember, if you do YouTube and YouTube makes you money, which is awesome, what can you do with that money? You can hire a graphic designer, because usually your time is going to be worth than a graphic designer. Well, more. Meaning, if me as a YouTuber, my time is worth, let's just say, $20 per hour, and I can hire a graphic designer, let's just say, for example, for $10 per hour, right? These numbers are not real, by the way. Then that means, hey, let me just use my money to hire him and just basically make more money from making more videos or whatever. And again, you know, graphic design is also something you can basically learn from taking courses online. And also, for example, just watching YouTube tutorials. So that's also a way to actually get it. So if you want to do it, for example, to get into this industry or whatever, find out, does it make sense that you get it? Or can I get a job just by basically taking courses, watching videos, and then going out there and going into the market and basically building up my own reputation and then basically getting hired. Find that out. You know, not all degrees are made equally, meaning that you can have a degree that you get just to have the piece of paper, but you can still do that same thing without the piece of paper. Meaning, hey, I can be, for example, what's one I can use here? Let's say business management, right? I want to do business management so I can basically go ahead and become a manager at a business without any experience. That sounds crazy to me. It's insane, right? It makes no sense. That's why people, they can't find a job. Right? I just graduated, no experience, but I'm gonna become a manager somewhere. It doesn't happen. You can have that way. You got the degree, piece of paper. Now you gotta spend the next 4, 10 years building experience to actually go ahead and manage something. Or you can just graduate if you know you wanna do that, study all the books, work for a company, work yourself in that whole structure of the company, that ladder, corporate ladder, and then go ahead and become a leader. You know, degrees, they add value. They do, I'm not gonna lie. But if they don't make sense financially, just don't get them. There are different ways to actually do it. So graphic design might be good, might not be good. You want to go ahead and do all the research on it. You've got to stop.